Hi, I'm Josh and I believe this recipe could change the way you pre-cook chicken forever. Using a similar method to my hugely popular yogurt-free chicken tikka, this maximum flavour and succulent moist pre-cooked chicken is easy to make in the air fryer, barbecue, grill and even my homemade tandoor if you have one. Now whilst there's no need to routinely pre-cook chicken when cooking curry at home, it's a great time saver when cooking multiple dishes and ensures the chicken is perfectly cooked, moist and full of flavour. As always, a full list of the ingredients for this dish can be found in the description below. Before I begin, please take a second to subscribe, like the video and click that notification bell. Thanks. Okay, I'm going to take around 500 grams of chicken breasts, cut them into large chunks and place them in a bowl. Tip over 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil, 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of chilli powder, 2 teaspoons of fenugreek leaves or kasoori methi, half a teaspoon of ginger powder, half a teaspoon of paprika, half a teaspoon of salt, quarter a teaspoon of turmeric, quarter a teaspoon of coriander powder, and finally quarter a teaspoon of cumin powder. Combine thoroughly, cover and refrigerate for at least 2 hours, ideally 24. When ready to cook, remove from the refrigerator around 30 minutes before cooking to allow to warm through slightly. Space the chicken out evenly in your air fryer and cook on air fry mode at 200 Celsius for 12 minutes, turning over halfway, or grill at 230 Celsius for the same time before checking the pieces are fully cooked. You can use straight away, store in the refrigerator for up to 3 days or freeze for up to 3 months. Defrost thoroughly in the refrigerator overnight, then simply add to your dish in the last few minutes of cooking to heat through for the perfect tender flavour packed chicken every time. Please remember to like and subscribe and check out this and other recipes on my website at thecurrykid.co.uk.